Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. Today we're going to be doing a quick diamond painting haul from a company called Bold Creation. I forgot to put on my faux diamonds, but I'm in a bit of a hurry, so we're going to make this one pretty quick. Bold Creations reached out to me and asked me to unbox one of their diamond paintings. They allowed me to pick out a diamond painting from their site. And when I got the package, it came in this mailer. They actually sent me a surprise diamond painting that I was not aware they were going to send, which is fantastic. The shipping was pretty fast. This is the name of the site. So I will have the information in the description below. The diamond paintings are very inexpensive. And I have a 10% off coupon referral link. When you click that link to shop in the description, you will get 10% off. So we're going to unbox this first one that they sent me that I did not pick out. So it looks like this is some form of a cat. I don't know. I don't know. Looks like it's circle drills, and we have 27 colors. It looks like they have all letters, which I am in love with for their coding system, no symbols. And it looks like they give you a nice pair of tweezers, stylus boat wax, and they even give you another multi-placer to put at the end of the stylus, and they give you a grip. So that's fantastic. Oh, and they give you baggies. Let me see. Let me see if they say what size this canvas is. Oh, I like it. It's not too big. It is big for me, but this is small compared to a lot of other ones that I've been sent. There seems to be a lot of confetti here. There's a lot of confetti on this. I'm guessing this is like a little street cat. The drill field is very clear. I don't know what kind of animal this is. Maybe it's a little monster. Seems to be pretty sticky. You have your color-coded list here. I like that there's only 27 colors, but this is definitely confetti, like heavy, in my opinion. I've seen heavier confetti, but this would be a lot for someone like me. And so then it looks like we have the baggies, the drills already bagged for us. So you don't even have to kit this one up in a separate system if you don't want to. I love when companies do this. I wish they would do this more often. So color number 1 is $400. So, sorry, I was trying to read here. So 1 is 1. Is that how it is on here? Oh yeah, 1 is 1. I think 1 is 1. Okay, so then I was like, when does it switch to letters? Okay, and then 10 is, okay. I was like, when does it switch to the letters? So 10 is C. Okay, so you would have to kit this up because 10 is C. At first I was like, is it a straight number to number match? But no, you're going to have to kit this up because some of them match to letters. So you've got the first 1 through 8 where the number matches the number, and then 9 through 27, you've got the numbers matching the letters. So you would need to kit this up. But I don't see any sparkly drills, but they are very neat. I don't see, just off first hand, I don't see any trash in these drills. So yeah, it looks pretty good to me. The company does ship from overseas. I'm not sure when I would do this one. I have so many to do, but I do love the size of it. This is a kind of a funky little creature here. So that's the first one. I don't know if this one has a name. If this painting has a name, I don't think it does. Yeah, I don't think it does. Circle diamond material list. So that's the first one. And then I'm going to show you the one that I actually picked out, which I think is really cute. And the one I actually picked out is bigger, which makes no sense for me. If you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know, I don't like big diamond paintings, but I've been collecting them. I don't like the thought of doing them, rather. Not that I don't like them. I don't like the thought of sitting and having to do the whole thing. So I purchased this darling. Look at this penguin. 30 colors. Total diamonds, 20,164. The total diamonds on the other one. Sorry, guys, I'm all over the place. The total diamonds on the other one was 15,194. So that's how many drills we're placing. You get the same kit. And you get the drills pre-bagged. I don't see any special looking drills. I love that this is a square shaped canvas as well. This is a lot. Oh, wow. Isn't he darling? Oh, the drill field is very clear. Look at that. I love these colors. This would be perfect to complete for Christmas in July. Or if you don't do it in Christmas in July, complete it for Christmas or when it starts getting cold, right? Wow. He is very beautiful. I have to give him a name. I love him. Okay, so that's the next one. And those are the only two that I have from Bold Creations so far. Go ahead and click my referral link in the description. Browse around. Let me know what you think. It's not a very huge site, so there's not a ton of options on there, but there are some very affordable options. And the shipping was pretty good. It shipped from overseas, shipped from China, and they give you a tracking number, and you can follow it all the way through. They don't give you stickers, as you can see, but for the price you're paying for these diamond paintings, I mean, they're almost pretty much like Temu prices, okay? So go ahead and click my referral link in the description. Let me know what you think of the site, and I will see you guys in the next haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye to my friend. Tell me what you think I should name him in the comments.